right and left motion. Right and left open and close, forward and backward. The robot detect line using IR, sensors, or a vision systems. An anti-drop system in a robotic car prevents it from falling off edges, stairs, or uneven surfaces. This helps the robot move safely without falling. Obstacle avoidance helps a robotic car detect and avoid obstacles for safe movement. This allows smooth and autonomous navigation. The following function helps a robot track and follow a target, used in delivery robots, assistant robots, and automated cars. The pick and place function allows a robot to grab an object, move it, and place it in a desired location. Used in factories, warehouses, and automated assembly lines.